Have you ever played Scrabble or one of its online variants and felt like you couldn't be good because you're bad at spelling or you don't know enough words? I'm Logan, I'm a GRE instructor here at Manhattan Prep, and the secret is you can get a lot better at Scrabble without learning a single new word. Here's my top 3 tips. So tip number 1, always look at the board first and find some good places to put some words. Let's say I can make this amazing and hilarious word quack, but I'm looking at the board and I'm thinking, oh, I can't put quack anywhere. So I could get stuck and get frustrated and bang my head against the wall trying to make a quack fit. Or I could see, oh, look, there's so many places I could play through this L or this I. I could start with a B or this other L or an E. And then I might see, ooh, instead of quack, I can make quail. And now I've got my points and I've saved some frustration. Plus, if you're looking at all the options on the board, you'll be able to consider a lot of options of words more quickly, which means you're more likely to come up with something worth more points. All right, tip 2, this may seem obvious, but you want to try to get these multipliers whenever you can. It's easy to get so excited that you made a good word to forget that you're trying to put the word on there to get the most points possible. Like here, I made quail, but there wasn't anything underneath my quail to give me any bonus points. If I was looking, I could have noticed that I might have made the exact same word all the way over here. And this way, not only did I get this double on my cue, giving me 10 more points, but I didn't give someone else a chance to come down here through this big triple bonus. So remember, it may be really fun to make the best, coolest words, and that might be what you want to do. But if you want to win, points are more important than words. Tip 3 is probably the best way to rack up more points, and that's making multiple words at the same time. Every time you add on to a word that's already there, you get all the points from those letters again. That's free points. So there's one letter that's the star of the show when it comes to making multiple words, and that is the S. That's because you could put an S on the end of so many different words. In this case, I'm looking and I might think first off, oh, the first thing I see is I can make this word, gifts. But if I use that S more wisely, I can get a lot more points. So for example, I might see, oh, I can make beagles in addition to whatever word I'm making. And these same letters, oh, I can make fits. Or in this case, if you want to be even more fun, I see I can move this S over there, make slime, and bring my fits over there as well. So tip number 3, remember, make multiple words whenever you can, especially using that S. Okay, those are my 3 core Scrabble tips. Number 1, board first. Number 2, use the bonuses. And number 3, make multiple words. If you do those 3 things, you'll get a lot better without ever opening a dictionary. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, click the subscribe button and click the bell so you'll never miss a new video. And while you're at it, you can check out the rest of the videos on our channel or visit manhattanprep.com to learn more.